Morning students. So today we are going to start our miscellaneous practice problem exercise 5.2. Okay. The first question in this is find HCF of 188 and 230 by Euclid's game. It is a very interesting game. Let's do it. Now see, I have started doing this sum, so now you should just understand it. HCF of 188 and 230 by Euclid's game. How to do it means first, for any mathematicians concept there will be some theory part, that is they would have given some lines and they have proved that it is true, like that. Here Euclid has given a line, a statement like that: HCF of a comma b equal to HCF of a comma a minus b. We can just take the same letter A and just we will subtract B from A and put it in the place of B if A is greater than B. Only if A is greater than B you can do this. If B is greater than A you cannot do this. Okay. So now I am just writing what is given in the question. Then I will arrange it in the sake. See, they have given one condition is there. That is nothing but A should be definitely greater than B. That is, the first number should be greater than the second number. But here you can see the first number is less than the second number. Then what you should do, you should just make it ulta or opposite, whatever you call. Okay, if you make like this, it will be 230 comma 188. Now it satisfies the statement given by Euclid. Now we can start doing the sum. What to do? Now we should subtract B from A and put it in the place of B. That is, we'll subtract 188 from 230 and we'll get 42, put it in the place of B. Now again what you'll do, subtract and put it in A, because next you should subtract 42 from 188 and put it in the place of 146. Now we have to change the order of doing the sum. That is, you have in the previous part you have what you have done, you have subtracted 188 from 230 and you have put it in the place of B. Now you are going to keep on put it in the place of A. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, next again you will subtract 42 and put it in the place of A. Again you will subtract 42 and put it in the place of A. Now you have a challenge here. What is the challenge? When you subtract 42 and from 62, you will get what? 20. But here you can see that it not satisfies the condition given by Euclid. That is, the first number should be greater than the second number. So now what you should do? Here you should understand it nicely. That is, when you subtract 42 from 62, you will get 20. Right? So you'll what you should do? You will put it here like this. Right? No, you will just do opposite, 20 comma 42, like this you will put, right? Then again what you should do means bring this 42 here. We have done, right? We have bought 230 before, that is in the front. Like that you should do here also. You should bring 42 in the front. 42 comma 20 it will become, right? Now what you should do, you will subtract 20 and put it here, 22 comma 20. Now what you should do, again do subtraction. Now you will get 2 comma 20. Here again problem comes. The first number is less than the second number. Then what you should do, you should just make it ulta and put it here. I have just cut short and wrote here. So you should just understand, that's it. So then you will subtract 2 from 20 and put it here again. So now you can get the HCF because the number has become still smaller. Okay, now the HCF will be 2. Therefore, the HCF of 230 and 188 is 2. Now the second question is write the numbers from 1 to 50. From that find the following. The numbers which are neither divisible by 2 or 7. They are telling that the number which are not divisible by 2 and also 7. You should write that only. You should not write 3 because is given like this. Then what you should do means you should just add the given two numbers 2 and 7. What you are getting? 9. So start from 9. Okay, from that write all the prime numbers. That's it. Okay, if like this the question is given, then you should just add the two numbers and start from that number and write the whole prime numbers. Okay, till it is given till 50, so stop till 47. Okay, then the prime numbers between 25 and 40, you already know, 29, 31 and 37. All square numbers up to 50 means 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49. If you go more than that, it is 64. Then what you'll get? 81, 100, 121, 144, like that it goes on. Okay, but here only you are asked to write between 50. So before 50, what are all the square numbers you should write? Till 49 only. Okay, then third question, complete the following pattern. Here you can see the first four natural numbers are added, you'll get 10. Then leave the first number, add one more number here, you will get the second pattern. Then again leave the first number and add another number here, you will get the third pattern. Now you get the first number as 3, so put it here. Okay, then when you add all these, you will get 18, add and put. Then what? You will cut the first number and add another number here, the next number, that is, so 4, 5, 6 and the last number is 7, and you all when you add it, you will get 22. Like the same way here also, here you are adding the odd numbers. When you add the first 4 odd numbers, you will get 16. Then you will cut this and put the next odd number. Okay, when you do this, you will get 3 here, right? So then cut this and put next odd number out here. Then you will get 11 as your answer, and add all this and put it in the box. So it is 32. Then next you will cut the first number and add another number, right? So it is 7, 9, 11 and 13. So add 40 here. Okay, when you add, you will get 40. Then the next one is AB. Here you can easily understand the pattern. Okay, here 2 are given, then the third one is left, and 3 are given, then the fourth one is left, then 4 are given, the fifth one is left, that is C, 2, 3, 4, 6. So the numbers are going on, in the number of alphabets are going on increasing, and also you are leaving one alphabet after one comma. See, A, B, C is left, D, F, G is left, H, I, J, K, L will be left, and you should write 5 alphabets after L, M, N, O, P, Q. Okay, like that you should understand. Okay, then 20, then you are leaving one gap, that is the next number is there, you are leaving one gap. 18 is missing, here nothing is missing, here one number is missing, here then you will get 2 numbers will be missing, so 16 and 15 will be missing, you will write 14 out here. Then here 3 numbers will be missing, 13, 12 and 11, you will be writing 10, and here 4 numbers will be missing, 9, 8, 7 and 6, like this you should understand. Okay, next complete the table by using the following instructions. A is the 6th term in Fibonacci sequence. A is the 6th term. See, here a table is given, you should fill all the details. The 6th term of Fibonacci sequence is nothing but 8. You already know, I think. Okay, so A is the number for A is 8. The predecessor of 2. Successor means you should add 1 to the given number. Predecessor means you should subtract 1 to the given number. So here it is given predecessor, right? So now you should just subtract 1 from 2. What you will get? 1 as your answer. So B is nothing but the value is 1. Then C is LCM of 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? It is 6. So put 6 in the place of C. Okay. Then D is nothing but HCF of 6 and 20. Only the highest common factor is 2. So what you will put? You will put 2 in the place of D. Then E, the reciprocal of 1 by 5. Reciprocal means you should put the denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator. Here the denominator is 5. So when it comes to the numerator, it is 5 by 1. 5 by 1 is nothing but 5. So I have just put 5 out here. So you will put the value of E as 5. F is the opposite of minus 7. Opposite means by the symbol it is opposite. Okay, when you change the symbol from subtraction to addition, the number is 7 and the F is 7. Then G, the first composite number. Composite number means the number which has 1 itself and another factor. That is 4 has 1, to 4 as its factor. Here extra it has 2. But unlike 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 like that. See, they don't have another factor. Only themselves and 1. Right? So 4 as another factor. So the first composite number, you keep it in mind, it is 4. Then you will put the value for G as 4. Then H, the area of square of side 3 centimeter. Side is given, you know the formula, A into A, okay, or side into side, anything, okay. So it is 3 into 3, it is 9 centimeter square. Then you will put 9 in the place of H, and the number of lines of symmetry in equilateral triangle. If this is an equilateral triangle, you will have 3 lines of symmetry. So I put 3, and in the place of I have put 3. Okay, this is the box. We have filled the box. Okay, then fifth question. Assign the number of English alphabets as 1 for A, 2 for B, up to 26 for Z. Find the meaning of this. First you should, this is a game, so do it yourself. First you should write all the alphabets like this. Okay, till J I am writing. So assign the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that you should do it for 26. That is till Z you should do it. Then here you can find for 7 it is nothing but G. So put G here. 15 it is OOZ. And I have found already. So it is good morning. Okay. Now, the sixth question. Replace the letters by symbols as plus for A, minus for B, X for C, and division for D. Now, sequence or pattern is given. Now, we should just do the operation. For what is for B? It is nothing but minus. So, put minus. 3, then C. For C, it is multiplication. Right? 3 you put, then multiplication you put. Okay. Then for A it is given plus. So you should put the number 5 and you should put the plus symbol. Then it is given 0 and divided by, put 3. Okay. Then 0. 3. Again the 0 is given. So put it 30. Okay. Then D means division by 2. Now you can see. First, according to the BODMAS rule, what you should do? BODMAS. Brackets is not there, so you should now start in order. It means first division. 30 divided by 2 you should do. You'll get 15. Write it here. Plus 5 into 3 minus 4. Then you should do multiplication. Do this too. 4 minus 15 plus 15. Then you should do addition. Addition means you should do minus 15 plus 15. What you will get? 0 you will get. Right? So then 0, 4 minus 0. Then last only you should do subtraction. 4 minus 0 is 4. That's it. You have got the answer. Now observe the pattern and find the word by hiding the numbers. First you should, now you are going to hide the numbers and find what is written here. Hide the number. First is H, O and W. How? A, R, E. R, Y, O and U. How are you? This is only asked here. Next, what you should do, the eighth question is arrange the following from the eldest to the youngest. Eldest na பெரியவங்க. வீட்ல இருக்கறவங்களே பெரியவங்கல இருந்து சின்னவங்க வரைக்கும் நாம அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணனும். அப்படி சொல்லிருக்காங்க. What do you get? So first you start with, see already first you should do nothing but you should read all what is given. First you understand, then only you should start writing. Okay. Parents, you, grandparents, elder sister, younger brother, uncle. Always the eldest would be your grandparents. So start from F. Okay. Then what you should do? Then your parents will be there. A. Then your uncle will be there. M. Then your elder sister means அக்கான்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகே, your elder sister means ak. Then you will put I. Then L, next you will be there, and your younger brother means Tambi will say. So it will be Y. What do you get? You get a family. That's it.